fall of the Sheikh Hasina government, the situation has been far from normal for Hindus in Bangladesh. Over the last few months, under Muhammad Yunus's leadership, Hindus have been mercilessly targeted for their homes also being set on fire. The Hindu temples and idols also being vandalized in Bangladesh. Earlier this week, top ISKCON priest Chinmoy Krishna Das was arrested on the charges of sedition. He is currently languishing in jail, but it appears that the trouble does not seem to be ending there. ISKCON has now made another big claim, which has again become a cause of concern. As per ISKCON Kolkata, two brahmacharis who go by the name Adipurush Shyam Das and Ranganath Das Brahmachari were arrested in Bangladesh just minutes after meeting Chinmoy Krishna Das in jail. They also claim that Chinmoy's secretary has been arrested, but there's no clarity yet on the charges against them. They've also claimed that another ISKCON center has been vandalized by the rioters. Left helpless, the ISKCON leadership has now called for a prayer across the globe today. ISKCON followers across the world have been asked to assemble at the nearest ISKCON center and offer their prayers for Hindus in Bangladesh, as they say God is now their only resort.
29 नवंबर को जब श्री आदि पुरुष श्याम दास और रंगनाथ दास ब्रह्मचारी दोनों जेल में बंद चिन्मय कृष्ण प्रभु को प्रसाद देकर वापस आ रहे थे, तो रास्ते में उनको पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया। यह भी खबर मिल रही है कि चिन्मय कृष्ण दास के जो सेक्रेटरी थे उनको भी गिरफ्तार किया गया है। और ISKCON का एक सेंटर है वैरव में, वहां पर दंगाइयों ने घुसकर पूरे मंदिर को तहस नहस कर दिया है। तो इस तरह की खबर हम देख रहे हैं कि रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहा है और समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या करना चाहिए। इसीलिए विश्व के में जितने भी ISKCON के मंदिर हैं 150 देशों में 850 मंदिर और हमारे जितने भी सेंटर्स हैं वहां पर ISKCON के करोड़ों भक्त अपने पास के जो भी मंदिर है वहां पर जाकर बांग्लादेश के माइनॉरिटीज के लिए भगवान से प्रार्थना करेंगे। जब कोई रास्ता नहीं बच जाता है तो भगवान का द्वार ही है अल्टीमेट रास्ता, और हम सभी लोग कीर्तन करेंगे और बांग्लादेश के भक्तों के लिए, उनके सेफ्टी के लिए हम लोग प्रार्थना करेंगे।
The situation in Bangladesh has also sparked a heated political war of words back home. In West Bengal, the BJP has hit the streets demanding justice of Hindus across the border and has also hit out at Mamata Banerjee and her leaders for refusing to speak up for the persecuted minorities in Bangladesh. The TMC, on the other hand, has called for a stronger response from the centre on the matter. Sample these reactions coming in.
देखो, पश्चिम बंगाल की जो मुख्यमंत्री है उनका वोट बैंक के लिए वो चुप बैठी है, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि 30% और उससे ज्यादा जो मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन है ममता बनर्जी को इलेक्शन में चुनती है।
My colleague Rishabh joins us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, this is extremely concerning at a time when Chinmoy's arrest had sparked global outrage. More information coming in with ISKCON saying that two other brahmacharis have also been detained by the officials in Bangladesh. What are the details? Any details of the charges being revealed against them?
Well, as of now, the charges has not been revealed, but what is widely understood is that these monks from ISKCON has been taken into custody after the protests that took place nationwide in Bangladesh, and the way ISKCON has become the symbol of unity for the minorities, the persecuted minorities in Bangladesh. And now the government believes that it is ISKCON and its organization that is galvanizing the minorities against the government, and that's the reason that the two priests of ISKCON related to ISKCON has been taken into custody. Police as of now has not confirmed the charges or the detention as well. This has come in from Radharaman Das, who is spokesperson of ISKCON in West Bengal's capital Kolkata. But further details are still awaited. But definitely the persecution of minorities, the atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh continues, and videos after videos are testament to what's happening in Bangladesh.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Rishabh. It's extremely concerning, and India has also launched a strong protest with Bangladesh, asking them to ensure that the minorities are protected. On that note, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll